Banshim yak sinjam bantenru ikasokar India ban pentri kamno ya ka inaline permit hakajala umintirang ba hakajala Conrad ke sangma uloong ba undang perkhat halo kecing ajingmut ban ïalam baroh ki MLA nakajala sedali nak banta kate kecing dawa habo jubab ya ka jingkli hakakenta kli jingkli kedor bar mang tengka badang ya syakmat hayeng dor bar thawain kajala hakakat sautri gulber arajar arpuar blawan ra do meli kamulai ba proses di sauk me umintirang ba uloong ba sorkar India leng ba katrat kampo ye kadang examin ya kencing dawa pentri kami ka ILP gula pentip bru babon tilik siti la pha sak sarkar India halo kate kencing dawa bat ka sarkar jala kadang ya yele ban kham pentru ban yo yakran halor ka ILP ka ying darbar thawain ka jala kala menjeru i ka resolution ban dawa pentri kami ka ILP ha ka jala khandai trik nopra arja kat khandai bat hadu menta ompat yo tangsi kentindu ka jubab na ka sarkar India.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 81A and B. So the matter is being examined by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Reply to 81C, no, sir.
Yes, for process.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from Honourable Chief Minister, since this issue, this matter has got delay, especially from the Government of India. May I know from the Honourable Chief Minister, the second plan that he have in his mind. When I'm talking about the second plan, the first plan that as a House we pass a solution. Then from his side, along with the cabinet colleague, meeting with Union Home Minister from time to time, then we could see that the thing have to materialize. So my question is there any second plan it is thought how to convince the Government of India? Because I could see the Government of India didn't understand much of our problem that we are facing, sir.
So there is no second plan as such. The plan is to pursue the Government of India. So there is no plan A or plan B, there is only one plan, which is to pursue and to convince Government of India that it should happen. But there could be multiple ways in which we do it, sir. So therefore, the honourable members' concerns are definitely are taken, sir, and it is important. And as he has correctly stated that the state and the assembly, this assembly had taken a resolution on this matter on the 19th of December 2019, which showed the intent of this House and the government also. At the same time, sir, multiple letters have been sent on 23rd of December 2019. One reminder was sent. Then again on 19th of November 2020, another reminder was sent. And further, during the visit of the Honourable Home Minister on 23rd of January 2021, the government of Meghalaya again had submitted a memorandum to the Honourable Home Minister from the government side. So this process is on, and we are pursuing this matter. The seriousness, as I said, of the government as well as of this House has been established by the resolution that was passed by the government and the resolution that was passed by the House. And therefore, sir, we will continue to pursue, and we hope that we'll reach a logical conclusion in this line. And I'm definitely open to suggestions that members would like to give in this matter. And it definitely is something that we all need to come together and try to work together on this.
See, why I use the words second plan. A second plan means is like the state of Manipur. They have already been passed 3 times resolution in the House. 3 times they pass resolution, again they send back. They send to state government, then central government agree, and last, because of the third resolution, they agree proposal and give ILP. So the second thought, the second plan they have, so since all the 60s we are together on this issue, I've already said that it seems that the Government of India is not knows well that this is a very important law that we should have. The state, if all the 60s, if Honourable Chief Minister, because the ball now is with the Chief Minister, that if we can take all 60s to the Delhi, meeting with Prime Minister, meeting with Union Home Minister, it would much more better. If all the Union Home Minister, if he can see all 60s, maybe the moment he saw all of us, he will raise his hand, okay, you take ILP. That is my intention, because we understand, sir, because why I brought this matter, sir, because it's from time to time when we talk any issue, people on the state, NGOs, everybody talking about the ILP. That's why I would like to show you, sir, Honourable Chief Minister. I understand he take the matter very serious, more serious, I must say. If you can take all 60 to be on board, will be much better. That is my request for Honourable Chief Minister, sir.
So I've noted a suggestion.
Plan B.
So I'll note the suggestion, sir. We'll examine the matters.
Honorable Speaker, sir, in all of these letters that the government of Meghalaya has sent to the central government, was there any grounds stated, was there any communication communicated to the government of Meghalaya for these unnecessary delays?
So as of now, so I'll require notice for that. I have only the copies of the letters sent by the state government and the memorandum submitted by the state government from our side. I don't have the copies of the replies that have come in, if they have come in or not, sir. So I will require notice on that, but as of now, sir, I only have the copies of the letters sent by us.